Greetings everyone, I'm Huang. I'm glad to share with you our research on a study on teacher-student interaction behaviors in smart classroom from the perspective of learning and evaluation integration. In the digital age, smart classrooms are becoming more and more common. They are equipped with advanced technology like multimedia devices and intelligent teaching software, which has transformed the traditional teaching scenes. However, teacher-student interaction, a key part of teaching and learning, still has room for improvement. Traditional interaction models in smart classroom face problems such as one-way teaching by teachers and delayed evaluation, which can meet students' personality and learning skills. This is where the concept of learning and evaluation integration, or we also call it LEA, comes in. It offers a new way to enhance interactions in smart classroom, and that's what our research is all about. Our research has three main goals. First, we aim to develop and validate evaluation indicators for teacher-student interaction behavior in smart classroom from the LEA perspective. Second, we want to code and analyze these indicators to understand the characteristics of the interactions. Finally, we plan to identify, classify, and evaluate the common interaction patterns in smart classroom. Let's focus on the concept of learning and evaluation integration, or we also call it LEA. LEA represents a profound and integrated connection between learning and evaluation, far beyond a mere superficial combination. In the learning process, evaluation transforms from a simple end of the line assessment to an ongoing and integral part. It serves as a continuous feedback loop, providing real-time insights into students' learning process and effectively guiding their subsequent learning steps. Take a group project for instance. When the students are engaging in it, not only does the teacher offer timely feedback on their thought process, but more importantly, LEA emphasizes the active involvement of students in the evaluation process. Students are encouraged to evaluate each other's contributions and their own work. This peer evaluation enables them to see different perspectives, enhancing their ability to assess others. Simultaneously, through self-assessment, they learn to reflect on their own strengths and areas for improvement, which is a crucial aspect of higher-order thinking. It's like they become their own learning coaches, constantly adjusting and optimizing their learning strategies. There are two fundamental theories appending LEA. The constructivity series highlights that knowledge is constructed through interaction experience. LEA provides a fertile ground for such interactions. In the context, students are immersed in research evaluation scenarios where they can actively build and refine their knowledge system. Based on the feedback they receive, the theory of the multi-intelligence advocates respecting the unique intellectual capabilities of each student. LEA allies with this by providing a diverse range of evaluation methods. This diversity allows students to showcase their various potentials, whether it's in logical mathematical thinking, linguistic skill, or interpersonal abilities. It helps them to discover and develop their hidden talent, fueling their growth and process. As depicted in the slide, and the novel concept of integration of learning and evaluation, we can say that the learning activities within the realm of the evaluation have emerged as the focal point. We can say that about the evaluation and the learning. We can say first we just talk about regarding the evaluation learning. Then we somebody talks about that the evaluation for learning, and also others point out the evaluation and learning. And today, what we will also want to say is that the integration of learning and evaluation. Learning and evaluation just has two aspects. One is that the learning oriented aspect, where evaluation serves as a held thinking learning activities involve generation and presentation, participation in evaluation, reflection, improvement. Additionally, the diagnostic function component in Compare has analyzed decision-making, prediction, classification, evaluation, model construct, and information management, all contributions to a more comprehensive understanding and enhance of the learning evaluation integration. And we can also see that smart classroom have unique technological advantage that fit well with LEA. Smart devices can collect the data on students' learning behaviors in real time, like how often they speak in class and how accurate their answers are. This data is useful for process evaluation. Interactive with board makes strong collaborate evaluation easy. Students and teachers can share their learning achievements and evaluation opinions. Learning management system can record students' learning trajectory and progress curves, making sure the evaluation is part of the entire learning process. Just so we can see the device we used is called the IC. It is local and intelligent. For the low cost, so that it's easy to popularize and intelligent, so we can get the enough information for the students and for teacher and student interaction in classroom. And you can also say this is the student's terminal and this is the teacher pad. And also about our research sample, we have built a great partnership with the school in Shenzhen, so that in the future we plan to use the 30 record classroom from this school and our co-research sample. These samples will cover different grades and subject to fully represent students' teaching and students' learning. And for our research, for the further research to develop evaluation indicators for interaction behaviors, we will further review a lot more literature to understand the existing research. Then, based on the relevant theories, like the constructivism and the theory of motor intelligence, we will come up with a set of evaluation indicator. This indicator will cover aspects such as the content, form, and effect of the interaction. After that, we will use methods like expert consultation and pre-testing to make sure these indicators are reasonable, reliable, and valid. We will invite experts in educational technology and curriculum evaluation to give us their opinions. It's just a draft of the indicators. And for the data collection, we will focus on the 30 record classroom from the pattern school. We will code the interaction behavior indicators we will develop. Then we will use various data analysis methods. For example, we might use like sequential analysis to identify and classify interaction patterns. For each interaction pattern, we will study how learning and evaluation are engaged and how these patterns affect students' learning achievements, attitudes, and comprehensive abilities. Yeah, this is what we will do at the data collection and analyze. Yeah, this is what we will find out just to find out the interaction patterns and learn the effect evaluation of typical interaction patterns. We expect to achieve several things from this research. We hope to create a scientific and valid set of evaluation indicators for teacher-student interaction in smart classroom. Through data analysis, we want to find out the key factors that affect interaction quality and the best interaction patterns for LEA. Our research results can offer practical advice for students to improve interactions in smart classroom and provide serious reference for further research in this area. Yeah, this research has great significance. Theoretically, it enhanced the students' study of teacher-student interaction in smart classroom and helped us better understand the LEA concept in educational practice. Practically, it gives teachers specific methods and strategies to improve interaction quality, which can enhance teaching effectiveness and students' learning outcomes. In terms of innovation, by combining LA with the study of the teacher-student interaction in smart classroom, we offer a new research perspective and method. Here is our research schedule. You can see it. We plan to finish it within 6 months. In conclusion, this research is very important for promoting LEA in smart classroom and improving teacher-student interaction quality. Although we are just getting started, we have a detailed plan. We are looking forward to carrying out this research and getting valuable results. Thank you for your listening. If you have any questions or ideas, feel free to share them.